welcome to this demo session of the NgahTech group website. So in this website, we have the top header section where we have the contact details that can lead you directly to our WhatsApp group, email address, the website, the address of the company. I also have the social media icons that can lead you directly to different social media platforms of the NgahTech group. So we have these hero sections in which the slides actually fit in and out, as you can see. We have another section here where that says build your career with us, with a small underline section, you see, and explore our wide range of IT business and business courses designed to boost your career. So you can see this section which is there. Also, these ones are clickable that can link you now to the different icons or the different courses in details where you know more about the course in particular. Then we have the other section that talks about the popular courses where these students, those who want to enroll, they can easily enroll by clicking on the WhatsApp icon or sharing the icon or sharing the particular course that they're interested to learn. It can be directly to the administrator, and each course have different prices, as you can see here, and the number of students that have actually enrolled and stuff like that. This is the footer. This is the footer section that has about the company itself, the contact details as well. So this is just a beautiful demo website, and it's going on live. It's already live, I believe. If you go to the ngahTechGroup.com website, you will see practically something like this or an updated version of it. So if you need something like this, even for your business or for any activities that you're offering, we are all open for you. You can get in contact with us directly, or if you want to learn skills or learn more about these IT areas, you can just contact us and we're going to give you highlights and details about how to go about it. Thank you very much. These are our contact details that you want. You can reach us directly through WhatsApp or direct calls or email us directly, and we are going to talk with you more on how we can help you grow your business and how you can help you develop skills that can lead into wealth creation. Thank you, and I'll see you next on our video.